Welcome to our exploration of 2 Thessalonians, chapters 1 to 3, a fascinating part of the New Testament that's both comforting and challenging. Imagine being part of a fledgling community, struggling with hardship, only to receive a letter filled with encouragement and instruction from an early church leader. That's what these chapters offer. Starting with chapter 1, Paul, along with Silas and Timothy, reaches out to the Thessalonians with gratitude for their growing faith and love. Despite ongoing persecution, this church stands firm. Paul promises relief and justice at Jesus' return, a central theme. He reminds them of their destiny, God's kingdom. Take verse 11, for example, where Paul prays for God to make them worthy of their calling. Imagine a call from a phone, but it's God calling you to his purpose. Moving to chapter 2, it's like a roadmap warning against pitfalls. Paul clears up confusion about the day of the Lord, saying it hasn't come yet, since certain events need to happen first. He warns of the man of lawlessness and a great rebellion. Verse 15 is key here. Paul urges them to stand firm and hold fast to teachings. It's as if he's handing over a sturdy anchor amidst a stormy sea. Finally, in chapter 3, Paul turns to practical matters, something we all need, right?
He asks for prayers, so the message keeps spreading rapidly. In verse 10, he delivers a straightforward guideline. The one who is unwilling to work shall not eat. It's practicality wrapped in love, teaching self-discipline and responsibility. Paul makes it clear. They should never tire of doing good. 2 Thessalonians is like a letter from a wise mentor guiding us through trials by shining a light on faith, hope, and love. It reassures believers of justice and calls them to resilience. This book roots them, and us, in enduring truths. A small yet powerful epistle that's a beacon for anyone, whether you're new to the Bible or revisiting its treasures. Stay curious as we journey through this rich text together.